Okay guys, ito na ang isa sa ating ingredients importante na ilalagay natin sa ating iluluto for dinner today na beans. Okay guys, yung beans natin, actually hinihiling kasi ni Mervin noon pa na gamitin ko ang ingredients sa paggawa ng egg roll ay gawin ko sa multiple different kind of dishes. So, itong ating ingredients sa paggawa ng ating egg roll, nilagyan ko dito sa beans. Ito ang black beans, black eye beans, okay? So, ayan. Tingnan nyo ha, guys. Yan. Ang meat na nilagay natin, ground beef na merong ingredients sa pagluluto ng egg roll natin. I hope nandito si Mervin para matikman niya ito. Okay guys, cabbage is already chopped into smallest pieces. Usually I chop them bigger, but I want it to be thinner than the regular one right now. So it will be more better for the consistency of the soup that I'm making. Hi guys, the cabbage is actually done already with the shallot, and this is gonna be a special dish that my son ML or Mervin Louis were requesting me. He's been asking me to use the ingredients for making the egg roll, my special egg rolls, to make different kind of dishes. So this is one of them, guys. So right now I'm gonna show you, okay, the meat, the ground meat that I use is actually marinated or mixed by making some egg rolls. Okay guys, so I'm gonna tell you how it tastes like when it's done. Okay guys, I can't wait for this to be finished. Okay, we don't want our cabbage to be really cooked. So let's go and turn this down and let the doctor taste it. Okay guys, Doc just came home and he's eating my special black eye pea right now. That he told me he doesn't like it before. And let's see how it's gonna taste like for him. So Doc, it's hot, really hot, huh?
Really hot.
Oh, it's really hot. Okay, take your time and blow it, please. I don't want you to burn your mouth.
You can see the steam rolling off of it.
That's a good one. So how is it?
Very rich. Very tasty.
Tasty? And how about you say, delicious? Oh, mamma mia, it's delicious. Bon appetit, mi
Bellissimo.
amor. Say something in German.
German? Ich bin gut.
It's big.
No, that's it. Ich ess gut.
How about in Spanish? Deliciosa.
Yeah, deliciosa.
Delicious. It's almost like French, na to.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. It's a wrap, dog. Okay, guys, you heard it from Dr. G here in Pinoy Lakas in Sonora, Villa de Casa de Gilcason. Teasing your taste bud. Always remember, be human, be kind, be humble all the time, and spread the love to everyone and appreciate whatever you have. Teasing your taste bud, signing up. Pinoy Lakas, Baguio forever. Boom! Pinoy Lakas. Lakas. Bye-bye.